I literally am that chick right now. Like, who is she? Hey, what up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I have another hair video for you guys, and this one it's gonna be a tutorial on how I achieve this super long, silky, smooth, straight, gorgeous, put together ponytail, and how I did it super fast, quick, in no time. Okay, so if you want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching, guys. So these are the things that I'll be using. I'll be using this super long ponytail extension. The link for where I got it will be down in the description box. As you can see, it has this lace part that goes over your hair, and it has a comb and the two ends where you can tie. I more than likely will be using pins for this. Yeah, because we don't want to be caught, you know, with people snatching our wigs and stuff like that. Next thing I'll be using is a hard brush, a nice hard boar bristle brush to keep my hair nice and smooth. Next thing I'll be using is some got-to-be freeze spray. Of course, I'm going to need a rat tail comb, not for the tail but for the tiny teeth. I'll be using the Style Factor Edge Booster. You can use any edge control that you like. And I'll be using some rubber bands. These ones are clear. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do, as you can see, my hair is stretched out. In the previous video I had blown it out and pressed it out. I sweated it out a little bit, but I'm going to use this opportunity to do this super long sleek ponytail. So I do recommend that you do this style on stretched hair, especially if you're going to do it with a silky straight ponytail. If you're going to do a curly ponytail, you can do it with your natural hair, just slick it down with a lot of gel and stuff like that. But for this look, it will be better that your hair is nice and stretched, so there will be no waving at the base, so it will have an easy and smooth and flawless transition from your hair to the fake hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair up into a ponytail. So I do think I'm gonna get rid of the part, then I can just do some baby hair on the edges. So as you know, I love to lean my head over when I'm doing my ponytails. For me, it helps me get the placement a lot better, and I don't have hair falling all over my plate, falling all over my face. So now with my rubber band, I'm gonna find the exact spot that I want my ponytail to be and wrap it up with my rubber band. So this ponytail is not too tight, so my camera cut out on me and I missed the whole part, so I'm just gonna show you guys that again. After I put my hair up in a ponytail, I just take my edge control and I dab it lightly all around my edges. I already did this, but I'm just adding a little bit more just so you guys can see. And I went ahead and did that around my entire perimeter, including the back. The next thing that I like to do is to add some edge control to my actual brush. Then I go ahead and I actually spray the got-to-be freeze spray on the brush. And then with that, I go ahead and start to brush everything in. And you can see how super sleek that is. You see that? You see how sleek that is when you pull it up? So I'm just gonna add some more edge control on my brush and go ahead and do the back, and of course add some more of my Got2b freeze spray. So now what I do, I like to loosen the ponytail, the pony holder, and I'm gonna take the rubber bands, because I'm using rubber bands. Then I take the rubber bands that I'm going to use to permanently do my ponytail, and I like to use about 2 to 4 depending on the thickness of the rubber bands, because these can pop on you. And I just have it on my hand here. Clear so you can't really see it like that, but anyway, you get the vision. So I just go ahead once again and brush everything up, and as I brush, I'm securing my grip with the hand that's actually holding the ponytail, so that smooth sleekness that I get when I brush can stay in place for the actual style. So now that everything is nice and smooth, I'll take my permanent pony holder, or rubber band in my case, and wrap it around tightly, but not too tight to the point where you have like a headache. In this case, just about 3 times. Then I go ahead and remove this one. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges off camera, and then I will tie it down before I move on to the actual ponytail. Okay guys, so I finished doing my edges and I put this wrap strip on. So over that, I'm gonna go ahead and put my silk scarf. And I like to do the wrap strip first because the wrap strips, they don't stick to like your gels and stuff like that, and especially with the Got2b spray, my head scarf kind of soaks it up and kind of adheres itself to my head, so that's why I like to use the wrap strip. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into the fun part and do this ponytail. So to prep my ponytail for this, I like to put it in a braid, then I'll secure the end with some rubber bands, just wrapping them down like this to secure the rest of that hair that was not braided. Then I'll wrap it around itself into a little top knot bun. Then I secure it in place with some more rubber bands. Okay, and just like that, I'm ready to attach my ponytail. So I'm so excited. I've never done a style like this, like ever. Not when I was relaxed, not when I was natural before. Never in my life have I done a super long straight ponytail like this. I've done a natural texture looking ponytail, but not this, girl. So anyway, right up in here, I'm going to stick the comb in, and then take these two to the back and bring it back to the front. I'm gonna tie it off one time, then I'll take it to the back and I'll double knot it. Okay, so as you can see, this little flap here, if you move too fast in the wind, girl, you're gonna be exposed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not actually gonna use bobby pins. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a section of hair from the bottom right here at the base. I'm gonna take a section of hair right here at the bottom from the base of the ponytail. I'm gonna section that out like about this much, and I'm going to use this not only to secure this flap, but to camouflage my ponytail. So let's flip her back. So then I'll take this piece. Let me smooth that out a bit. And I'll go around until all of this is done. So I want to make sure that it's covering the ribbon. So I'm going to spread it out a bit with my fingers. And as you can see, I picked up a little bit extra from the back, so that's gonna give me that tapering that's necessary to like really tightly secure it. So now with this little piece, I'm just going around until it's done and tight and secure. Okay guys, so my scarf is off, my X strip is off, and this is the completed look. I really love it. I have never done something like this, and it is really cute and super quick and simple. So down in the description box, I'll have everything that I use, including this hair. Now this is synthetic. This is just for a quick, like, you know, I need to get out the house and put together look. You can also do this style with human hair, but that would be a whole different technique. I can make a video on that if you guys would like. Just leave a comment down below and let me know that you want that video, and I'll definitely get it to you guys. So for now, this is the style and it's super cute. Let me give you guys the looks. It's super long, comes all the way down to like under my boobs, like almost waist length. This is at the back. So yeah, I really like it. It's really super cute. And it might be something that will become another one of my go-to styles when I need to rush out, because I'm not really doing anything. There's no guarantee this will stay on my head for any amount of time, probably 2.5 seconds. No, actually I'm gonna run to the store, so at least I look like somebody's child. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget, everything that I used in this video will be down in the description box. Feel free to drop a comment if you like the style, if you'll be trying it, if you've ever done something like this, or also you can comment on what else you would like me to do for you guys. So before I leave, don't forget guys, give this video a big fat thumbs up. It really helps my videos get a little bit more visibility on YouTube, because when you give it that thumbs up, it lets the algorithm know that, hey, they kind of like this stuff, so maybe there's more people that might want to see it. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would do that for me. And of course, double check if you're subscribed to the channel. If you are not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll never miss one of my uploads. So until next time guys, that's all I have for you today. So bye bye.